Hey friends, this is Atif Val and welcome to the new update on Rare. As in my earlier video, I was showing you a huge breakout from a very big falling wedge pattern that was happening on the weekly time frame chart, and this was the video by the way. And now if we take a look at the live chart, then you can see that after the breakout, the price line is rejected by this long-term resistance of 19.5 cents. And in today's video, we will analyze this move. And I would also like to share with you my most recent trade signal for Rare that I shared a few days ago on 28th of November 2023 with my members, and this move produced almost 54% pump. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because here I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. So let's start the analysis. And first of all, let me begin with my most recent trade signal for Rare that I shared on 28th of November 2023 with my members, and that was a harmonic bullish reversal guarded pattern that Rare formed on a 1 hour time frame chart with US dollar pair. And you can see this was a complete trade setup. This was the buying zone starting from 10 cents and goes to 9.64 cents. And this was the sell target zone, and below 9.64 cents was our stop loss. Now, if I play this chart, then you can see that the price then started a very massive reversal from this buying zone and rallied beyond the sell target zone. And this was almost 54% pump only on this 1 hour time frame chart. And if you would like to catch such other massive pumps before they happen, then you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because here I'm sharing such trading signals for you on the daily basis. And I've already shared the links to join me there in the video's description you can find. Now let me to take you to the live chart of Rare, and this is the weekly time frame chart, and you can see that previously since after. Here, October 2021, it had been moving inside this very big falling wedge pattern. You can see we found the resistance here in the month of October, and we found the support here in the month of May 2022. And before that, it had been moving inside this support and resistance line. That was a kind of a broadening falling wedge pattern. But from here, it started following this downtrend line support and from this falling wedge pattern. And during this move to the downside, it moved here and got squeezed inside this wedge, found a very strong and firm support here at 5.5 cents. And after getting squeezed and testing this long-term support and the support of the falling wedge pattern, finally we have broken out the resistance of this big wedge pattern. Now, if I place this measurement tool from this low to this high, then you can see it rallied almost 237%, but got rejected by this long-term resistance of 19.5 cents. And recently, it has again moved below than this resistance that could work as a support after the breakout, but now we have also moved down in this support as well. That is at 14.5 cents. That can again work as a resistance for the price line. Now the next major support will be here. That is at 9.5 cents, and this level has been previously working as a support here, and as a support here, and as a support here as well. And in case of breaking out these two next resistance levels, 14.5 cents and 19.5 cents, this can be a complete strong and long-term resistance zone. You can see previously it had been breaking out a support zone here, a support zone here, and resistance zone here. And again, we got rejected by this resistance zone. And after breaking it out, the next major resistance will be here at 45 cents that had been previously breaking as a support here and as a resistance here as well. The final target for this huge breakout from this falling wedge pattern is here at the top of the wedge, that is approximately at $3. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because here I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.